Yes, peeps. Out here again, one more time again, on them in the street, you see it? So, you know, we always have vibes, you see me? Out there, I go on the 9 to 5 to stay alive. See me? So all of the youth them, just hold a positive energy and be true to yourself, you see me? Yeah, man. So like, share and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. And we just out there to keep it natural and simple. Because you only can be yourself, you know. Because we don't look out of ourselves. Yeah, man. So bless up all the youth them out there. You know over there the vibes. And our style to keep vibes in, you see me? Our style to keep vibes in and keep ourselves to ourselves and keep it real. We don't walk up and down with people, we don't travel with people, we travel by ourselves, we and God alone. You see me? So watch you now. In the street again, another day. We run the go up on the 9 to 5, so we just a drive on the vibes as usual. So we are going to give you a Stereograph with Shabba Rankin, Briggy there, Josie Whale, Charlie Chaplin, John Wayne, General Trees. You see me, I say a whole house of artists on the Stereograph sound system. So watch me now, out there with there. Kick it off. John Wayne.
Love sweetness. Hey,
yeah.
Bang better angle of a angle bang. Hey, bang better angle of a angle bang. Stereograph in the area, murderer. The Shabba in the area, murderer. The John Wayne in the area, murderer. The Josie Whale in the area, murderer. The Charlie Chaplin in the area, murderer. The Briggy in the area, murderer. We on the roads and culture, murderer. You just hold up your one for you not like me. Come in, Shabba.
Hold on, Mr. Principal, hold on, man. Now bring it back right where it started, man. Colonel move. Are you again, you know?
Selassie, I want lift up inspector. Lift up inspector. I want to yell up a daughter. Sis name Makiba. So today is her birthday. So that a special Stereograph birthday she get. You get it in royalty and King Super Sister. Alright? I hope you know by now that, hold on inspector, whilst I speak, I hope you know by now that your duty as a woman, you're the mother of civilization. Keep your man clean and do whatever necessary and all that. Some things he might want you to do if he's a ballhead, but don't do it. Other things, jump. When he said jump, say how high. Selassie. And the woman, respect the man and the man respect the woman. Why no article? Saying, run it. What am I say, General?
Yes, General and the Principal there. Before me and the General touch it, see me say, yeah, me bowl, yeah, man.
Sing ding ding na na wine, God knows. Say do good, say do good, say do good to the poor man. Oh yeah, ding na na wine, say ding ding na na wine. Ay 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 ay, stand na wine, God knows. Oh yeah, I beg you do good, say do good. Say do good to the poor man. Say do good to the poor man. Oh yeah, I beg you do good. Say do good to the poor. Say do good to the poor man. Say do good to the poor man. Oh yeah, aye.
Selassie, Selassie. Why can't we do it? Why can't we set our mind at ease? Go and do it. Please eat your sour sap and right and peas. We can do it. Rum up in the dancehall, Jaman. Only ministers and Jamal. If you know Stereograph can do it, say go on. The greatest sound in the whole wide world. See? Rastafari, come in, principal.
Yes, King. Right now that tune you got number one, man. Charlie Chaplin, Josie Whale and Yam Bowler. Jack can do it. And chant down the walls of Babylon.
Jack can do it. Sing that boy, God knows. Oh yeah. Say build your mind on this creation. Triumphantly we all must see. I search and I search this great book of mine. In the revelation, look what I find. Hail Selassie is the chapter, the power of the Trinity. Conquered Lion of Judah. Triumphantly we all must sing. Hey.
Right now, I say love not the Brampton, love not the post. But you are love for most from the pillar to post. Come and say jam down, jam already, baby move over. Whether you're sick or you're lame or lazy, no matter get crazy. Nada the gap a walk over. Bright at incident clover. Right now, I say keep on rocking straight till the morning. Good like big body Brown, big bad President Brown, Shabba ranking, yeah, me ball around town. I me say jam down, are you ready? Move over, press it.
He's up, Inspector. Well, right now, you have some people that live nasty. Also, every man for have a queen in I'm kingdom, every woman.
Multiply that, multiply that.
Multiply that, multiply that. Quincy, check your sister on the stage side, that's all. Well done, done, done. If we're talking straight, then so we're terrible, that's all.
We're chatting to that parable.
And if we're talking straight, then so we're terrible, that's all.
We have to chat it in our parable.
Well, every man we have a queen in our kingdom, and every woman we have a king in our home. So all over deal with Sodom, no back up, no things and level that is. Some man a jump queen, some man a jump jack. Appear nastiness, we see ya calling on the back. Some man a jump jack, some man a jump queen presidency. Say that is unclean, but enough of them a pick on them a choose and them don't know what to do. Run, go play drop and buy number 2. We used to them have no hand with little boy blue. To godly living them don't have a clue. Many are called and chosen are few. How do you think about him and should get a decent funeral? He'll be singing said no, no, no. Sentence me. How do you think about him and should get a decent funeral? He'll be singing said no, 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 no. He's up, Inspector. Come in, General. Or the Principal, General.
Yes, Inspector Willie. But due to the respect and the honor, we have a look for the engine of the area, I see. Now you to look like me, favor me, walk like me, talk like me. Saying, original little youth to come on the front, him original junior Briggy. Him look up at the woman and say, unless you take.
Selassie, enough respect. I'll give thanks and praise to the Most High God, Rastafari, who lives and runs and rules over my soul. Grammy King Shabba
I bring a big son this. One more time, us.
Selassie, I'm not respect to my auntie Nancy, my father Brigadier Jerry for years. Charlie Chaplin, Joe Louis, would never go to jail. Remember, Stereograph, you ragamuffin. Papa Stereo, you ragamuffin. I died the stereo ragamuffin. This your sound, you ragamuffin. So what's a ragamuffin sound? You have some idiot sound that go round. I brought them Briggy bang. Shabba, listen me very carefully. I tell them little money, I carry it to the home, the man, and I agree with that. I tell the home, the man, we don't stir a cap in a jump on. The home, the man, to keep him money. Need jump for back where we are coming from. I can never unstereograph the sound owned by the Rasta man. Yes, stereograph the ragamuffin. Jesus Christ. Nice. Well, come down with daddy.
When we are talking about ragamuffin, I'm a youth. And I love it. So me have to bust it. See? Jano, down of mercy. Y'all you too greedy. Don't know how to satisfy. Y'all you too greedy. How to satisfy. For me, see once again greedy. She don't know how to satisfy. Why expect her to be telling the truth? She want 19 different man in her life all the time. But we don't keep her on the number one. I'm a driver home. But when I give her the number two, she said she want number three. But when I give her number three, she say, Papa, bring it, don't give me no more. She put her lips close to mine and drive it on. You know me, yes, you know me, yes. Ragamuffin, Papa, bring it, you a murderer. Ragamuffin, Papa, bring it, you a slaughterer. Ragamuffin, Papa, bring it, you a big mountain. Ragamuffin, Papa, bring it, you what only Stereograph can do it.
Ram up the dancehall jaman.
Only Stereograph can do it.
Ram up the dancehall jaman.
Only Stereograph can do it. This is a dancehall jaman. What do it? When chose away Charlie Chaplin, Shabba.Beanie and Briggy, and we making out the play by the champion song called King Stereograph 5-5. The sound of a telling no lie. When a man like Rhodes, they wanted by the original outlaw. Now, check it out urgently. Do remember on the 1st of August, our old little place called Polo Club. It's up to be across the water. Big sound like Stereograph. Man like Jones Will, Charlie Chaplin, Lincoln Thompson, Daddy Uriah, and thing like that. Hey, thank God that I man live to see yeah. Wilbert, your mother call you. Say from last night, the color TV, and she can't watch Damn Nasty nor Falcon 6. Fire! And then we burn fire. Hotter fire. Jesus Christ. You know stop. Pity, boom, ganga. But I ain't gonna live to yeah. That Nelson Mandela na go back up in it. Lord, it was not very easy thing to do. We try and answer on the prayer, and it come true. Blaze Rastafari, bounce this repent, and every black man future. Everybody want to be free. Come follow me, to be free Mandela, with the free Mandela. From the and the push for you and the listener. Free, yeah. Every man shall be free. Yeah. Free, yeah. Lord of mercy.
Every man shall
We don't come again. Inspector Hailey. What do you want us to Shabba?
Yes, Briggy. Yeah, man, Africa must free, you know. Thank you, Jamaica, for produce me. Yeah. Of respect. To each and every eye and eye, you know. Africa. Such a just say, and all is nothing before we say we feel live in love and unity. Yeah, so that's to say, and all the elders before we say we feel live in love and unity. So just say, Africans come together, East, West, North, and South Africa include must say, we must unite together. Even though organize and unite, we now have you. So that's it, say, let there be a united Africa, and Ethiopia to be the headquarter. But some fool go behind the back of the son of Chacha. From that day until now, them don't stop suffer. You don't want to organize and unite with your brother, but you choose to smoke and drink with a stranger. When we want more than black, we wish that we get blacker. I'm a black lion eating in a temper. Could never forget the struggle of I'm a Africa, the big ship. It a sail across the water. Ship it on the cup in a Jamaica. Step over the ship, the best plantation owner. We bubbles cross me back, tear me shoulder. They have to run well like me brother where them can't good. Run away to stay in a runaway bay. Africa, okay. And I ride with him and a bandage. I feel listen to what Josie will say. I feel listen to what the twist say. And I ride with him and I hold it steady. Such a just say, Africa say, unite the way. Yeah, so Rasta say, and Shabba say, one more unity. Me I tell you, black is me joy and pride. Only kill you one another and genocide. A Satan boat the whole of uno ride. Watch them a glide, you know. They go twitch. Tap banana, one thunderball and Babylon must drop. Tap banana. All over blast him a talk about John of Black. Chop. I am on them religion. Canterbury from England. Pope John from Vatican. Them a juggle with religion. Yo. Them a do it from long. Them want me left or right and run not to wrong. Want me fornicate and me say in religion. Them want me teach you them the truth from wrong. All them want me mix up in a bangarang. Tap. One thunderball on Babylon must drop. Tap. Well, you know you are clean and you know you're not fraud. And then at the end I want to show my Lord. And cross the chest and no touch food the word. We and the Babylon, yes, them a go. Tell them, go. Tell the dirty Babylon, them figure. Well, Selassie I movements are not joke we are. Make no how on a program, on no how on a flex. Through hills and valley where Selassie I step. Me taking as a river and not joke me I make. Holy King Emmanuel, Selassie I. Yeah, I will some woman and sing.
Hold up, Inspector. Pull up. Now everyone link up. Now mass. Right now we're gonna pause the cars because guess what? We promised that we was gonna give away a television and a bicycle. And you know this promotion is all courtesy of Mighty Mike, yours truly GT, and Big A, and the Kings and Kings promotion. And anything we say we do, we have to do. We don't fool the people, no time. So right now, we're gonna do the drawing, the gate prize. So we're just gonna ask a little pause of the cars. Thanks, Colonel Josie Wales, and all the massive Leroy. Hey! How will I say, Briggy?
Oh yeah.
Lord of mercy. Yes. We don't stop.
I got to get myself together.
Get man called Dennis Brown, you know. Original for years. Played by the original song called Kingston Gear 5-5. One big up all nice and decent people and St. Anne people. people from Alexander Lyman, Old Trias. Yes, Malayan, we round to the place called Walker Zone. Hear this!
I just to get myself together.
Debo, my clan TV, you know?
People are crying, living in the love of the
Rise, man, called Dennis Brown. They do clown talk, but down this one a champion sound showdown. What goes around comes around. Around, Stereograph, come for ramen. Jump, jump, Stereograph, come for jamming. I and I virgin to dwell together in unity and love. Like a fresh island from Edwin to the baby, screw the fireman garments. Jah! Got Jah from a citizen of Zion. Now who should stand in all the play with clean hands and a pure heart? Rastafari, you know. In Colin, Lexus ready. What am I called Colin? Lexus ready. Hey, and don't remember on the 1st of August, our place called Cabon's Polo Club. That's across the water, original Stereograph, Saint Crow, man like Limble comes to the man called Not the UI Promotion, alongside Solar Production. Hey, 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 Ram Stereograph come for rabbit, Jump Stereograph come and jam it, Cock, Papa Stereograph come cock it, Ram Stereograph come ram it. Because the day before the dance, they both did the walk. As the dance there, he made them cut off. Knife for them use, John it well sharp. Should I hear it a walk? Wop, wop. This a dance it and be calm. Wop, wop. Yes, this a dance it and be calm. And so we don't have a bed, but I really don't want me head. But even you splash them, so the dance on the corner. Take off me pants, me and me put it on back. Take off me shirt, me and me put it on back. Jumping on shoes, I want Chris Bobby song. Sight a taxi, I come and me flank down that. Push me go a sentence, man, they dance from the spot. Man, they dance from the corner. I think when they dance from the corner. When I man say, Ram Jones, the wailing come for ramen. Ram, what champion come for ramen. Papa Shabba come for ramen. Because the knife that is the way you never want go New York. Hey, have a dog and a long time in no bar. Sight a cripple man, the other day him start to walk. Sight a dumb man, him a giggle and a laugh. Ram this a sound it come for ramen. Jump up and bring it come for jamming. I'm a jamming in the east, jamming in the west. Count one sorry, listen down to Eagles X. But I hear them when you go walk up a stereo and the best. But I eat red until they can really eat and really left. Ram, stereo come for ramen. And I jam, my stove can come for jamming down. Jamming in a sentence, babe. Why dance tight? Nobody, now left, now gonna no way. Dance a go on right back until the sun, that is the day. Go on for Briggy, expensive DJ. No faggot couldn't lead the rest of man astray. So when I'm on the work and I'm on the most get paid. Go on for Briggy, as a dance on the bed. Ram, will they come for ramen? Jam, Briggy come for jamming. We tonight for a fork on a buckle on a car. Dance like this must have become
one stoplight hold you, every stoplight hold you star.
Lord of mercy. Original Rastaman. Lotion. Most like God. Charlie, I come part one play. Place called Sentence Bay with the original Rasta DJ. Lord of mercy. This one called a house is not home without a dreadlocks inside. Lord, because a house is not a home without a dreadlocks inside. House is not a home without a dreadlocks inside. Better put an anti-dread inside. Better put an anti-dread inside. It could be even in the morning, man. The dog come in the night. He will pop a blinky man and sit down on the mic. Most evident thunderbolt and even dynamite. Put an anti-train inside. Put an anti-train inside. Cause a house is not a home without a dreadlocks inside. House is not a home without a dreadlocks inside. Porridge in the morning, man, of even afternoon. Clean up your septum and tidy up the room. Sweep it out nice and flame with a little house room. If a man dead, you put him on down the tomb. Put an anti-dreadlocks inside. Better put an anti-dread inside. You see, your house is not a home without a dreadlocks inside. House is not a home without a dreadlocks inside. Who they you sit down on the morning ride? Who they you sit down on the morning ride? Original Briggy up in Rastafari, I'm my guide. Peep up on my chest, me sing, me even down my side. One pump for Briggy, you miss one of a kind. Put another dread inside. Ease up my selector, Inspector Willie. I want to see how the car look like the Newton man like Admiral Tibek. I ain't never hear this man sing a one-man song yet. Come down, brethren.
Rastafari Briggy. Easy Teds. Seeing all massive. Blessing. We dead bound big yard. We dead bound big yard.
Babylon
We dead
system
bound
is a
big.
fraud.
Let me hear you say we dead bound big. Watch me. Bound big yard. Because Babylon
So over there, so they make orange juice,
we get bound big yard.
natural orange juice. Overs. So
We get bound big yard. Because Babylon system is a fraud. We get bound big yard. We gonna run out of the yard. Watch me. I said them one with me, can't be afraid. Treat them up the younger and now we have the blade. When we write them out, they say you're wrong.
mash up with repetition.
But all when they ma do, all when they ma say, foolish rules and regulations I don't obey. Them call themselves the superior, and them call us the inferior. Public yard. Eddie Fitzroy. God blessing. How are you, sir, my brother?
Rastafari man says a pleasure man, look on black people. Joseph Ways and the crew man, or Chi and the crew. Sure. Rastafari, Brigadier Jerry, Sister Nancy, Angie Angel. Sure. Rastafari, what a dance nice man. Sure.
As you know, Eddie Fitzroy is no longer here with us again. He passed on.
Easy ride and to own straight riot. Come again. Rastafari, I saw me bus dance now. Joseph Wales, oh, ganja pipe for bun man because a Rasta run thing, see. John, beat down at the bar, saying, it's the last year. Love sentence people because who Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey, great every time. So enough respect. Get out. Rock now. The easy ride and don't say no riot. I'm gonna send my message, so listen to what I've got. And if you're happy and you love it, say. If you're happy and you love it, say. Come in, Sister Angel, man.
Blessed love Royal King. And all of the Royal King and all of the Royal Empress them. I want you run it in a Stereograph. Well read. Well read. Here go Briggy. Yellow Mama Nancy, presenting Red. All the music fraternity, hear me look on them and tell them. Well. Give thanks and praise for all the lovely times that we spend. We come to spend them again and again and again and again. And the faith as we drop today, I tell them.
China can't fight champion. We race champion from Sartre Siglos from 1972. Kingston girl 5-5. How can you hear this? Bring back sound and say Luciana, original. Be so ungrateful. For you come part two. And them a dance and the people who wait for about 19,000 years now. From about 82, Selassie I know. And when they go dance, the dance now going again. Music now plays to some beach party. Be a naked girl. What are we gonna be doing? But how can you be so unruly after all that Jah has done for you? Come and say, how can you be so unfaithful after Jah control your destiny? You wanna Jah do? After they put on the fishes them in the sea, put on the fruits them on the tree, making you get medication from 1, 2, 3. I know you want to fight against His Majesty. How can I be so unruly after all that Jah has done for I? Lord, how could I be so unruly after Jah control my destiny? What I'm saying? What I will so I put not to remove it to give it the instruction of the slum and our slam. Yes, but stop and rhyme, you know you are the best. But control is the north and south and the control in the west. I love your Rastafari, never the less. How can I be so unruly after all Jah has done for Wheel Up Selector? You know, see I look man behind me a while ago look like Beanie Man. What a surprising people. You never know who's coming to Stereograph. You will never know who come to Stereograph. Rastafari, you know. Jesus Christ, what was Beanie Man?
Well, Stereograph, play from start. Dance all night, some man in just fast. Stereograph, play from start. Yeah. The musical thing called Stereograph International, you know. St. Anne's Way. I'm a brigadier. I bless my Lord. Beloved Father Joseph Wales. Lord. Anyway, woman a scream and a boogie dump on the dance floor. I ask Stereograph sound for more. Compulsory in a ear a shot. Yes, my Lord. Natural thing. Beloved, see. But it's a fun and a joy. Stereograph all the time. Yeah. Hey, woman a scream and a boogie dump on the dance floor. I ask Stereograph sound for more. Well, compulsory in a year a shot bus for sure. Because the place is up a hardcore. Well, man a woman a fun although we poor. Enough mouth get fed and shot off the store. How the hell you fi call this night when a music make no skull no more? Then ask them, have them ever take a tracks down a rate town? VX Stereograph sound a boogie down. The same people politics separate Stereograph make them all gather round. Josie Wheel, you know see the dancehall business gone to zero. Every champion sound in the business done disco. You know and a more king champion sound where you play out a road with the bus for more hero. Oh, some boy wonder how you hear about Johnny Ringo. From Gemini and all the great volcano. Stereograph, King Jamis and King Jamis, them the sound they come out as dancehall hero make all. Wanna scream and a boogie up on the dance floor. Ask Stereograph sound. Sure. Father, General Trees. General Trees.
Hey yo!
General Trees.
Hey yo!
General Trees.
Hey yo! General!
Hey yo!
General!
Yo. I don't know what they're gonna tell me. We love the people them. And this is King Stereograph. Hey, Beanie Man, Brigadier, Charlie, Josie, Shabba, a general there. A general there. Hexamount can count. Inspector Willie. Look, boxing look. I said the people put me on top.
And if them want them take we down back. But to them now Stereograph, them jump up and clap. And make we go and perform we have. Cause our people put we back down. Hey doctor, when you talk to the people, I mean, you don't know that.
We have a general cheese, you don't know. And that's the vibes of the music, and the music is the vibes, you know. I'll bless my Lord, beloved. All ladies, all Rastafarian, all Marley, all Bubba Dread. Yeah, I want to see the way for the ones in the year right now, because you know, say, I love Stereograph and deal with still. I'll bless, beloved. Yeah. Well, I man say extra, extra. I am an Rasta, now, 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 now. Extra, extra. Read it in thy paper. Brigadier now, now. Extra, extra. I am an Rastafari now, now. Extra, extra. Read it in thy. Inspector Willie, tell them. Fi be a real Rasta man, well I can't be afraid. Me lack smite and low, but I have no clean shape. I believe up in my precepts, so me nah shape me beard. To be a Rasta man, you have to clean all your days. Change up your folly grounds and all dirty ways. Some dreadlocks out the road, flex like some renegade. With them one bag of locks and not even one beard. Up on Selassie picture, me want you take a case. Not even take a look, you good and get too afraid. Got this in for him soon, good and short be your days, I say. Sure, I'll bless. Yes, my lord, beloved man. See me I say, General Cheese. Do you know? Tell me what you really know about that great man, Steve Biko. Do you know? Tell me what you really know about that. Hey! What I say, seeing is believing. I say knowing is best. I know we never deal with Rastafari consent, but I know he was a man of black people interest. So I say, black I am. My people must be strong. He gave me the confidence to sing this song. I hear they speak of Martin Luther, but as them get that dream, them shoot him after. I know Steve Biko was a freedom fighter, a well-educated South African liar. And one more, he was hope for the people of Africa, cause in those times, them capture Mandela, Jamaican and John Descender, who help me sing, say, do you know? Tell me what you really know about that great man from Soweto. Do you know? Tell me what you really know. Tell me now, now, General Cheese, now, now. I live my ways, and I've seen those days. See the sun as it sets and as it rains. Nobody just stay. Turning a new page. Stand by me, Centon, stand by me now, now, now. I live my ways, and I've seen those days. See the sun as it sets and as it rains. Nobody just stay. Turn a new page. General Cheese, take peace now, 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 now.
Hey yo! Shout out, blessing for the people. Now what the inspector will it? You don't know your respect, go for us accept class in it. You come take us nice of the cake, but you don't know what I'm going to turn from around the people. Hey you what now? All the people that will respect the reggae boys, but me, you want to say, yeah? Josie, you don't know reggae boy things now, you know, cause we reach our friends, but we want to make second round, right? Hey, when they read this one, they read the little boy, cause you don't know we have big all the people right now. Hey, Kappa go and stay, you know? I don't know your respect, brother. Hey, run with them, chap. I think I want to dedicate to all the reggae boys. Bless them. For the people, them. Play by the King's song, come sting, go bye, bye, bye. For the people, them. Play by the King's song, come sting, go bye, bye, bye. Inspector with one hand and okay, don't know where we're going to go and stick with the people. Now all the taxi driver them from down a sentence there. And the taxi driver in here. The taxi driver in here. Any man drive taxi in here.
Now watch the frying in the music, you know, because them dance here from way back, you see me? Dance here from way back. So you see the frying where they go all night. The music you have on whole heap of grey beard, whole heap of age. The overs. That's all the vibes I don't watch the Friday night of the music, you see me? Street youth, do it youth, beat them like a beetroot. Like, share and subscribe. General Trees.
Oh, it's a perilous time, one more body fine, one more time. I say one more taxi man gone, left for picnic.
Hey yo!
Yeah, we're sneaking with the people them. That one they're on the stamper label, you know. I know we're not around for it, so no matter not here we know, but
A champion.
Me the man, bless. Josephine, Principal, Shabba, Brigadier, sure. Anna, you ever tell them now? Listen again now. If you don't rob them, just make them one. Half for picnic, one more for man. Oh, it's a very last time, one more body fine, one more big deadline. I say one more taxi man gone, left for picnic and one more for man. Oh, it's a very last time, one more body fine, one more big deadline. Stereograph, them is a vital sector to society. So we need the cab and the cab need we. When the bus them no strike and grab and go slow, we jack cab quick to where we want go. To be whole what I want, make me feel sad. Some lose them life and left them camp, them find some time. Shadow, big man.
Original General Trees. The man I'm a teacher still. Foundation. Remember that. Not a mercy. Ring digga digga ding dang dang dang. Digga digga ding dang 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 dang. Digga digga dang 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 dang. Digga digga dang 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 dang. Sentence. Why everybody sing right now? Who knows she in this? Who knows she in this? Me want to know say sticky reggae music we are play. Shabba.Beanie, sticky reggae music we are play. Sing along again, say sticky reggae music we are play. Shabba.Beanie, sticky reggae music we are play. Hold on, under me chalice, one bag of cali. For me CB100, me go check Bongonati. Chalice for me back and on me one bag of cali. Me go travel those isles and me go check through the valley. No respect me reach up in a Ochira your city. Don't a Winterland, me a come bust it. No who me buck up, no the General Briggy. Then me buck the girl and no the brother called Josie. No, look on General Trees the side of we. If I do the old time, them name the Boogie Woogie. No the music it a play and we a catch the styling. And a Winterland people them a catch the story. What a street reggae music man a play. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's not a fashion dance. But, yeah, hear me? Before me even gonna further go read Psalms 133, you know. It goes, behold, it's so good and how pleasant it is to brethren and brethren to dwell together in precious dignity. It's like a precious diamond turned from the head to the beard. Even ear and beard and skirted garments of a true of Herman, true that be set on the mountain of Zion, where King Selassie I command the best and evil life I evermore. Hail up I King Selassie I Joe. Rastafari, Inspector Willie, yeah, love it Rastafari, play that look. But some all the work forget promotion, them a body content. That's why them come and sing them strange songs. Sometimes enough no practice what them preach and yell to temptation. Oh Lord, now, them pocket content them say I
Verse you go put on your covenant. I'll bang get lick. Last year. Coming from the School of Art, Science and Technology, Sidewalk University, Ziegfeld Academy. Lord. What do you say? What do you say we are riding out of Texas? They say you don't go home on Wolverton Mountain. Wheeler! 90s. Hear that one now. Hear that one now. Lord. Hear that one now. There was a time, hey, when I used to run dancehall. Now is the time for me to flash it internationally. There are people crying for the dancehall Daddy Josie. They want me rum dancehall and come car party. Galang, ling. The man a dance, the woman a dance again. No, I wonder where the man defend. Lord, the man a dance, the woman a dance again. No, I wonder where the man defend. I told the Josie short break. We come scratch it. The road boy, them want to bust station. Only dead curry go to dancing at the park. Hey, the man a dance, the woman a dance again. No, wonder where the man them a defend. Come here, me sing. Ribbidi do ballet. Ribbidi do ballet. Ribbidi do ballet. Hey, wheel up, Inspector. All right, hear this. Hear this. Hear this. Hold on now. This dance can't go over you know. This dance.
Asya. You see them dance, yeah? You know, long the people wait for them. I said, some man, you know, some space in that fire and that prison. You know, the hills, man, and there, when I dance tonight. Yes, sir.
Come out as a general, come out as a general. Come out as a general. Remember the last time we hear your DJ on a sound and America, you that going a Briggy. Remember the song we sing? Eh? 123 speedy. Briggy go and go to the world. Briggy go and go meet different people. Well, Briggy go and go to the world and make you know say you laugh. Cause you're on the yard.
There come a time, when we hear a certain call, that science media is better than the white rum. Lord, Jesus Christ, what are you nice? Yes, my lion, respect me, man. But them don't say you're a veteran, you know how long? From way back when. Here come a time, when we hear a certain call. The sensimina is better than the white rum. We all smoke a part of that great sensimilia tree that bring wisdom, knowledge, understanding to you and me. Briggy go to the world, Briggy go to the world. DJ find a woman, pick the boys and girls. To the world, no Briggy go to the world. Fire! Now, what about the Shabba?
Yes, big respect. People, you see we condemn them every minute. We bust gunshot on them every minute. Y'all picking it? Y'all picking it? Sentence! Y'all picking it, don't give a lot of time on it, they don't say him about it, man. Don't give a lot of time on it, they don't say him about it. Y'all picking it, don't give a lot of time on it, they don't say him about it, man. Don't give a lot of time on it, they don't say him about it. Because it's not right, it is wrong. I'm gonna push his speed, his skin a shit turn. No care guy, no care man. So, say for the man come I'm no pressure bottom man. God's real. Hold on, come in Moses, come in Moses.
Mastermind Shabba ranking. Mastermind.
Rinse Leggy,
Ring stiggy, ding dong. Ring stiggy ding dong dong dong. Ring stiggy. Hey, what accent or something? Me want to say, all of the man them when know them no bow. Trouble put on and say how. All of the girls them when know them out clean. Want more them out on the screen. Yeah, because the stick of ganja man they on the scene. Shabba.Beanie now.
Niceness, energetic, you know. I don't want to me a sentence man. And I want to all the Kingston band them. Whiny, 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 whiny. Too much sentence. It's sentence when you have in a party. Benny, Benny, boy, you come now. Get all the girl them whining. Whiny, whiny, boy, you. It's a science. Come on, Moses, man. Hold up, Inspector Willie. Hold up now. Now you hear me? We are youth and we learn it from the whole of them man here. Brigadier Cherry. Salute! Josie Wheel of the same thing, Charlie Chaplin. Daddy Uriah for years. Now we are bringing a veteran. One more part of the future line. They man create future so we live good. Come in, Johnny Ringo.
Yes, original Shabba. Shabba just give the item the whiny. Run the track there. Now request to our sentence people. Bang diddly da 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 do do. Original Johnny Ringo. Sentence, what me say? For me say Johnny from out of New York City. Which part me used to rest at Brooklyn in the 90s. Shabba. DJs nowadays say them a problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. Johnny Ringo come to solve. Solve THM, solve them. So go and go tell all your F-R-I-E-N-D all of your friends. If them alive, well, yes! Come in, Moses. Hey, hold on. Read him. Guy Inspector, you don't know. Yes, my father. Beloved my Lord. Blessed my Lord. Honorable my Lord. Hey, hold on. Remember me, I look at you. See where I'm being man and look at you. I'm
Beanie man, hold on. You remember that tune? Who remember? Hey, I want no selfish on this fight, girl, well, selfish on this fight, girl, well. We know! That's how we do it. Beanie man.
You have a choice on them. Where mama? Come in, mama. Read him. That's on a true pigeon, you know. Different thing, you know. Yeah. Come in, mama, and say. Yeah, now.
So say Moses, you know, I'm say if I have a hammer, I would have hammer in the morning, I would have hammer in the evening, all over Babylon, I would have hammer out contention, I would have hammer out starvation, I would have hammer out the
Yes, mama. Dance Sugar Pop, you know. Dance Sugar Pop, dance Sonny. Sally Salik, you know. All the elders in the place, you know. Gyrate and celebrate, you know. I know someone else stop killing. Ready? Say we don't like no kind of funny man. We don't respect not a funny man. Cause I'm a Jamaican brother man. From the city gonna I'm on tradition. Say we are gonna shot them too. Shot them. When we are shot them, don't tell me no. Gunshot under them. If it's not gunshot, it's dynamite. The woman of office. Nice, lovely black woman, black man, love them up. If you don't love them right, your head a go bust. Booyaka! Come in, Moses.
Yeah, you don't know. I rest my Lord, beloved, straight up my Lord and the rebel. Biggest, largest, camouflage, and we run the one in the heart. Remember them tune ya? Rasta said, blessed be thy name, for certain wrongs I've done, who is to take the blame? It's a shame, blessed be thy name,
I see Babylon a work on them. Most of sentence a jump. Me ask them who win a kill yet they get to youth them brain. And who introduce them to the crack and cocaine. Make man a push the eagle in a them main vein. And it's who make the back door the long the lane. Fly the big Mach 11 them fly down pan plane. President and Prime Minister, none you can blame. The two of them are working a rich man game. Man blow the whistle them off to find another lane. Hey, hey, hey. Remember all heaven versus hell. Well you go hear lyrics until it top swell. When you clean them heaven versus hell. Revelation I reveal what the potential tell. Hold on, I said fireball yes, for all the cocaine. All body man forget like lion tail. Woman forget loving and them belly off a swell. Pick me off a honest man with a go to hell. All the man them know them in the bow. Put up on the one and we have that now. Being a partner with them Shabba ranking now. Sentence there, yeah. We love to see the crowd in Stereograph a play a moment and say calm down.
Have mercy, I have a Bible. I would read it in the morning. I would read it in the evening. All over this land. I would eat no temptation. I would read about frustration. I would read about the love between man and brother and the merciless. All over Babylon. General.
I said, and I don't know, selling the phone, being a man, and then I saw all the matter in the feeling and getting on with the selling and being the phone. General, and don't know some man a fee marshal. All the match I feel easy when them know so that we international, a woman and see you a foundation. Hey, Shabba ranking all the mic.
Let me say Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, just like Judges and Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd King, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Habakkuk, Shabbat, the culture, all them a top man, big mouth, yeah. Me a listen brigadier from Josie will teach me this and me a teenager. So being a man we from the same area. So pressure me brother pressure.
Hey, 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 hey. What is way to the rest them put the punk them in a fear. Drive from me heart till me all a cry tears. Light up me chalice and then me shout cheers. Conquer the dragon and the eagle and the bear. Them a ball. Now that them back against the wall. Now them realize that them queen them fall. I'm a Selassie, I name some guy called. Now them realize that they be flop after all. Enough talk about Selassie and I know about the facts. Hey, think it's clientele. Come in, Brigadier. Come in, Brigadier.
Rastafari. Lord have mercy. Jesus Christ. Coco. Original gunshot team. Holy Mount Zion. I'm coming home to you. Rastafari. Come down. Come down, Inspector, because I play like original Inspector tonight. Original Stereograph. Woods. Just meet President Brown at the gate. He looks like I'm off a booger. I don't want to leave you. Hold him out. Say, original Rasta respect. Eh? One of them kind of easy for a fight turntable in the star. Up at 2 car. Say, too much one night dance. So the guy go around one and dance a star. Ah, the mercy. You're sure now wicked generalist now. No long star. One right morning when my work is over, I will to that land that we will seek and die no more. I
her up, Inspector. Let's lift her up. It's too big, we can't blur her. Let's say, Zion, Selassie, give praises. Original crew, champion and champions all over the world. Run it. This one is brand new. You know my thing them see already. They have something now bust to the year 2004. Why you listen to one here? Brand new. Don't wanna be no outlaw no more. I got something to live for. So last year I said cold ice fall. The things I used to do them no more. Once I was lost, now I'm champion my feet on solid ground. Who works for the devil will be no clear around. Will I get to sing? Don't wanna be no outlaw no more. I got some more. So last year I said
Just
my
pick up.
score.
So me go try the tea. Turmeric,
The things
ginger,
I used to
honey,
do them no
coconut,
more.
turmeric.
If you miss
Coconut,
me
honey,
for a
turmeric.
while,
Me go try the tea, you see me? Yeah.
Virgin and cleansing
Mr. Man love the fever grass, love the bush tea otherwise, you know, but you don't know.
is wrong.
Sometimes you move fast, you see me? Just grab one of them and drop it in your cup
Make sure you're
and move, you see me? Yeah, I just pop in the store a while ago.
sing again. Don't wanna be
Go on here,
I can't hear you, I can't
ginger
hear you, I
lemon.
can't hear you.
See what I say?
I got something to live for.
They say,
Ding, ding,
organic, no
Last
GMO.
I said curb my score.
So, this is what I look like, no?
The things I used to do them no more. If you love it, say go on. Lift up. What am I saying, man?
Lift up. Yeah, cause I mean, yeah. Come in, Kappa. Rhythm. Yo. That tell him, man, you don't know it does seem for the beat, man.
Look at you,
And
man.
we
This
are
is
going
why
to
I
be
look
there,
like
from
this.
run
Take
that
it
corner,
out of the
Willie.
pack a while ago.
Yeah, man, easy brigadier. Easy Shabba Kid, the Godfather. Night. Sweet girl. Yeah. And the girls, if you want more. Baby jeans, only.
Cat Park. Long time I hear the artist, yeah. I can tell you it's a long time track this, you see me?
You got no talk to. Now you're moving in the high society, but don't forget there's no secret about us. When I fall in love, this time I know. Go and see this song. I look back and all those good times we once shared. When I'm also being blind, just to think and have found someone new. Oh, who loves me better than you, but will it may come as a surprise? Loneliness now. Hold on, Shabba.
Hold on, Bubba, you see before you touch it. Eddie Fitzroy, hold up, Inspector Willie. Eddie Fitzroy want to dress up more Africa. See, Bubba, your time next. See, step up, Eddie.
Rastafari, man, because a long time saying Ethiopia, 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 GTA mighty might. Africa is calling.
Eddie Fix right.
Blessed assurance, pump the reality.
Tell you, Eddie Fix
Africa
right.
is sweetest place
It's
in
no
the
longer
world.
here with
Now
me.
say Africa is the world, you know. Step up, Eddie.
Yeah.
Rastafari, be the man, Shabba ranks. Selassie, Ethiopia.
Eddie Fix right. It's no more loss. No more here with us amongst the land of the living. Yeah. Bless your soul, you know.
Africa is calling.
Street Yo TV. Like, share, and subscribe. We gotta go and bust a vibe to stay alive. Yeah.
It's a land of the 12 tribes of
Some of our things set up now.
And to do so, Ethiopia, Ethiopia, Selassie. Get a jam, let me hear the sound. Get a jam and send thoughts on the ground. Get a jam, let me hear the sound. Shake it tambourine and make that vocal frown. Get a jam, let me hear the sound. Shabba ranking, hold on.
Africa is a flag flowing high in our head and in our heart. Now the father go through tribulation, carrying the cross, flag of below. Hold on. Pull up the circle, Willie. Come in, bye-bye. Come in, bye-bye. Charlotte Chaplin, step on.
Well, when you know them name there, you know say you're original, man.
Central Village Training Center, Papa.
See, I know. See, I only for man a talk about them now this and them now that with Beanie Man, cause Beanie Man a this and Beanie Man a that. But right now, I burn them. I can't deal with unity and a backbite the little youth. You know what we have to tell them, Beanie Man? Listen, history carry no backbiter. Please, hold on,
Hold on, Mr. Willie. I saw them go on, you know. Them go on the more street ghetto youth like we don't come from the ghetto too. Saying as it does start obtain popularity, them start say some like a idiot thing. But I want to know, you know. Love when you get a celebrity them. Cause the politician don't go kill you know. And I build prison. So love the star road boy and girl, come in Chaplin.
yeah, man, no follow no man. I talk about Beanie Man a this and Beanie Man a that. Beanie Man a the handmaid a phone no money on no hand. See, but right now me a show you say, me a Rasta. And most Rasta me a tell you say, oh, I'm a Jasper. Me say so, I'm a back it. So you hear me? Hey, no man can talk about business out like me, no. The politician call me in. Government give me about 800 license gun and give me big security company. And me give them back them gun and them blouse and skirt security company. Hear me I tell you up on record. After me give them back them company and sell out me share, give them back them gun and return them spear. Me used to wear me tam and now me start to go me here. I have in Babylon them and I pay this repair. Cause anyway them see bum and them a steer. One time me used to talk about eagle and beer, but now there is a new sensation of the year. We go man against the dragon, the puss and the mirror. The dragon you can know him by the clothes when he wear. With the little skull cap that up in here. The pussy is a white man multi-millionaire. He said the one way I got than a treat me and so talk to them here Moses, God name you have.
Hear me say, come in here, hey. Xavier, you must come. Get him out, I listen last year is the Almighty One. Easy. Stand here, boy. Sing ding boy. Hey. Rainbow clouds and the deep blue sky.
glittering birds that fly all night. Jah reveal the truths in life. Because of you, no struggle or no strife. Will it? Take it. Yeah, well I just love and iron it to I did it. Sing. Big up His Imperial Majesty. Haile Selassie. See ding ding Danny boy. Easy being man. Ding 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 Danny boy. Easy Shabba. Ding ding Danny boy. Boy. Ding 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 Danny boy. Boy. Hey. Rainbow clouds and the deep blue sky. Glittering birds that fly all night. Jah reveal the truths in life. Because of you, no struggle or no strife. Every nation we want no greed. Talking to gold, a class, race and creed. Jah you taught me how to fight for every single justice and right. Living in a big bad society. There's no justice for humanity. Now it's time to set the captives free. Free from bondage and brutality. And hail him, the ruler of the world. Ding ding dang yang boy. Hail him, ruler of the universe. Yeah, hear me? Charlie Chaplin, you see all of them fight me. I want to take me out to tell them still. Say, straight up, tell them I don't want away. On a 2 away, on a 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 away. Shabba no, on a 8 away, no, on a 9 away. All the world are with the inner Selassie family, but sentence protect me from the enemy. Come on, dear, me none of them and a enemy. And I like them, now want me reach my destiny. But see from me fans, them love me. Them not fear that will protect me from the enemy. Come on, dear, me none of them and a enemy. Like them now want me reach my destiny. Hey, Satan, we can't tell you something. Straight up, first of all, me didn't know when the bumper money low. Now them get hype and them no want do no show. Oh, only Selassie I know say. Them get astonished, show me lyrics, them a flourish. Lyrics who are refurbished, me I go draw for all me polish. Come back in the day from all right and all ribbon. DJ try to diss me, Charlie Chaplin never go vanish. Selassie I me have your ox and this. Right now, protect me from the enemy. From a day we love all men of men.
So that Satan is a sly old fox. If I could catch him and put him in a box, lock that box up, show where the key. Why them a show me the man up? Them put the tricks on me, can't control me. Artists clean and they unappearing. Them play tricks on me, can't control me. Artists clean and they unappearing.
But a true man a Rastafari. Trinidad and dread. Now ya bingy Congo shanty I now be old no day. Oh na Rastafari. Trinidad and dread. Now ya bingy Congo shanty I Rastafari.
King Selassie the first.
The music can sound like Stereograph International Free Marshal Fashion. Yes, my lord. The music can out like this line up. Yeah, run tune. Inspector Willie, you don't know music. See me I say. I'll bless King Selassie, Jah Rastafari. John Marcus, I Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Praises be unto the Christ who man himself in name of Eli, King Selassie, Kings of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquer land and child Judah. Gonna tell you a story about. I know someone in a bugaboo. Yeah, see me I say, foundation style. And you like Shabba ranking, you like Naya ranking, see me I say, Lord of mercy now. Lord, what are that? Ding dong dong da diggity. What are that? Hey, it's like how there is someone say what one dance can do. I go and DJ something for the girls then. Right now, when she was crying last night, I was swimming in the pool because I broke heart and makes her cry. I was a fool, it's in my true confession. I can't believe it that I read it in a lip. Wheel up down, Inspector Willie, pop up. Yeah, hear me there, yeah. I'm going to get a slice. But hold on then, forget power, sir. Come in, power.
Respect scene. Cause them don't know so what. Then I saw them and gone. We pour them up in a Stereograph tonight, see? John could say them no work on a Sunday. Them now work on a Sunday. No, hey. John could say them no work on Sunday. Now work on a Sunday. John could say them no work on a Sunday. Now work on Sunday. If I'm lying, kill a major dog and you will get your goal. Think I'm lying, you kill a marker dog and you will get your goal. Hey, John could say if no work on Sunday. Now work, if now work on a Sunday. No, him no work on a Sunday. Him no work on Sunday. Him no work on Sunday. Hey, yesterday a big cow died the pastor. Hey, yesterday a big cow died the pastor. Whoa, you see a black eye. Can't tell us something. Can't tell us something. Now you're ranking on my friend from school. And don't you know say sentence rule. Shabba ranking on my friend from. Hey, never know from me no Shabba. From Shabba name Pee-wee till him change the name to co-pilot. No Shabba him name and I run the place so hot. People if I love Shabba put up on the one and stop. Beat man and me at that right and now. Beanie man, funny reading man them say that we are number one. We now work for the number one spot man. All me sing you know I be number one song. Now you're ranking of none. All the people that who got shop, let me see the hand come so. Find where not got shop go trust. When we got shop, what we call for? Hey, sentence, we gon' serve. You know how long me a call. It look like the shopkeeper gonna dance all. Serve. You know how long me a knock. It look like them take big man for idiot. Just serve. You know how long me a call. It look like the shopkeeper gonna dance all. Serve. You know how long me a knock. It look like them. Watch out. Sell me 2 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of chicken. Chicken what? Just cool, no mismatch. You a talk like you want the people them to hear that. And no leg and no wing, a 2 pound a run a back. Serve, you know how long me a call. It look like the Beanie man. Wheel up, Inspector Willie. Right now you hear me. But I get a chance to chat some lyrics now. Me and Shabba, you know. Because a long time in a DJ in a dance. Me have to DJ in a dance. See me I say, a long time in a DJ in a dance, here. Long time, yeah. Long time in a DJ in a dance. Shabba. Remember one time I'm in a DJ in a dance, man. DJ from 8 till 8 the next man. You know what's the next come here with? Baby bang, sing. Gong to the bang, to the bang. Robbie bang, sing. Gong to the bang. First of all, hey, I am a beauty girl, summer army. I mean no one no Saddam is around me. I am a beauty girl from army. Only empresses welcome alone. I am a beauty girl from army now. Me no want no Saddam is around me. I am a beauty girl from army. Rude boy, take this down the end. Remember, woman represent modernization. Without a man, you only have some great nation. A man and a woman bring reproduction. I see it in the almighty plan, but it's not right. To Peter and make love to John. Sentence like the Batman, who ever no one. First of all, me love all ganja man and all ganja woman. We ever no one and let me sing along. I am a cutie girl, summer army. I mean no one, no Batman around me. I am a cutie girl, summer army. Only empresses welcome alone. Hey, who do them sing ya? Well, you think man I know the first soul them no like me. See them all hype up but that still not spite me. But man I cut and got choke all having away. Remember, rhythm. Cause hey, cause we don't know, we don't stop DJ till the morning. Shabba ranking, boy, me I tell them, we don't know about them, you know. We don't stop DJ till the sun come over the hills, see. Yeah, Lord have mercy. Remember original dancehall time. Back in them time, we are back in them time. You see if you know that song, yeah, we have it. You think man I know the first soul them no like me. See them all hype up, but that still not spite me. Stereograph a cut and got choke all of in our yard. And none of them can't stop me. Think man I know, say the guys them no like me. See them all hype up, but that still not spite me. Stereograph a cut and got choke all of in our yard. And none of them can't stop me. Shabba say we now watch the face, cause we don't try the case. Tell them can't help me. Tell them say I rerun the place, a machine pan the bass and sentence a millionaire from we at. Tell them to stop watch me clothes, stop watch me Kyle, stop watch me pose, I'm a Rasta man style. Stop watch me nose, stop watch me file. I run them with them body man smile. Take man I know the fast soul them no. I'm gonna say them all hype up but that's. Hey check it out. Hey, I want to more tell no. You say reach, them no want to reach. You say we have, them no want to we have. Enough boy come and this Jamaican people, them boys say me and Shabba stand firm. Shabba collect 2 grams, me I go for my own. Remember that? Yeah. And Shabba, you want me tell them say, no afraid of love, so we take and we so beef, tell them over and go work at them a evil. No fall about my money, I'm a few ganja leave. Them a stop call police, cause them a weeble. Tell them to stop watch me clothes, stop watch me Kyle, stop watch me pose, I'm a Rasta man. And enough stop watch me nose, run them so. Boy with a hypocrite smile. Take man I know the fast soul them. I'm gonna see them all hype up but that's still not. But Mr. Stereograph forgot and catch you because I love the inner yard. Now Shabba so take a piece of piece of body.
Yes, Beanie man. We have to preach.
All I put up Inspector Willie. Now Beanie man, I hear say the pussy wall them now like you never watch you. Well,
The man said fast, Twitch a big story, they have this, you know, no bother with that, you know.
louder than cold Shabba. Fussy. Well, the man say fussy. What do you ever go on? So me don't know.
A man like me slack, I mean not talk nothing slack here to know.
Shabba ranking, easy and cold. Nobody want, so easy and cold. What me tell him say? Oh, chunk, chunk. I always know that Babylon is watching we. So me don't know.
A man like me slack, I mean not talk nothing slack here to know.
Shabba ranking, easy and cold. Nobody want, so easy and cold.